Welcome back everyone. Welcome back to another how-to video with Power Director. I am Captain Kokomo and let's get started. Today I'm going to teach you all how to not only create an intro but save it. So you can just use it as a clip and drag it to the start of any video that you create for your channel. It's relatively simple and it's something that I worked out. All these tips and hints are just things that I have worked out myself to save you the time from working it out. You can just learn how to do it straight away. First up, we need to import anything that we need. The intro music, the intro title screen doesn't have text on it, but we will fix that shortly. We will just drag them down onto the bar. And we will hold down Control and use the mouse wheel to zoom in so we can clip the rest of that song and delete it because we're not going to need it. So now we have our title scene and the audio that accompanies it. We're going to need a title. Let's push F7 or click on the title room and just select wave will do. Yep, that's fine. Let's drag that down onto the second clip bar and shorten it down to the same length as your intro. Obviously, if you want to change how long the text stays up there, you can change it down shorter or longer. You can have the text bleeding into the video, whatever you like. But for now, we're just creating our own separate intro, and that's all we need for now. So we will double click on the text and change it to what the title of the video will be. Captain Kokomo. That'll do. That will do for now. We're not really saving this anyway. That's too big, so just what you need to do is just highlight the whole thing, take it down to a more appropriate size. That one will do. Change it so it sticks out a little bit more. We'll do it in black. And let's just move it where it will be seen into the sunset. That's fine. You can change the font, whatever you need, but this is just an example, so we'll leave it as that for now. And what you need to do is preview it as well. I think I showed you this last time. That's fine. I mean, we can change it. We can drag the action bar out further. That's when it goes, how long it takes to go up. That's how long it stays stationary, and that's how long it takes to go down. But because we are using a transition at the end, we don't need the end effect to be very long at all. In fact, we might just remove it altogether. So let's go back to the start and try it again. That was a little bit slower. I like the pace of that one, so we'll keep that. Save that. Once we have all this set up, all you need to do is just produce it. Make sure you've got the right graphic, the right sound, and the right title effect. Anything else you want to add to it, just use the extra bars down here. We can go into that later on if you want to create more complicated things. Any suggestions, anything you want to see, please write comments down below what you would like to see, and I will create a how-to on it for you. Now we just go to produce. We're not uploading it, so we don't go to online. It's not 3D, and we're not on a device. We're not using a device for it. So just standard. We'll save it as an AVI, and the better quality, the better. Use that one is fine. And just hit produce. Let's call it something first. No. We'll do that later. So obviously select where you want it to go to as well. That's fine. hit produce, and it'll save to that location. It's simple as that. So let's go back to, no, we won't, don't do that. New project. No, we don't want to save because that was just an example. I saved the one I did previously to the folder where I keep all my YouTube media to. So let's go and I'll show you how easy it is just to drag that on there. Use that one there. And we will import the Captain Kokomo Gaming intro. I saved it into the video folder where my game captures usually get saved to as well, so it's just easy to find. And it's on here just like any other clip would be. Just drag that to the front and move all clips. There we go. Let's have a look. Welcome. Obviously, we need to put a transition in as well. Remember that every time you do it, you're going to need to add a transition in unless you're happy with it just going from one to the other. Again, we'll check the transition in there. Double click on the transition and make it crossover. That's the way I like it. You can have it however you like it. Let's turn the volume down for a start and see it again. Transition starts. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. That's how easy it is, guys. If you want to see any more of these, please like, subscribe, and share it around to everyone. I'm trying to make the community better. A good leader uplifts everyone around him, so that's what I'm trying to do. And if you want to see anything else, if you want to learn anything else, if you don't know how to do something, please comment down below and I will do my very best to create a video for it. But that's going to be it for now, so I'll throw the cards up at the end here. And the Carmageddon video up there is an example. That's one I've edited earlier. It's got a lot of examples of things that I've added into it and edited it and added text and graphics and everything. That'll give you examples of what you can do with Power Director. So have a look at that one, and the rest one is just subscribe. And this other one is a video that YouTube thinks that you should watch. So thank you for joining me today. Have any questions, please write them down below in the comments. And thank you for joining me.